Welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually received your royalty, or as a freelancer, you want to receive your payment for the service you've already rendered. So, the app I'll actually be showing you is Cleva app. It enables you to actually create a foreign USD account in which you can actually receive foreign currency. You can actually receive your USD, your money. So this is the Cleva app. So I'll open the Cleva app. This is my Cleva app here. This is my Cleva app. So I'll open the Cleva app. So once I open the Cleva app, so I want to actually create a new account. So click on create account, click on individual, mark this as well, click on continue, select your country. Your country is Nigeria, so continue as well. So once this is done, click on continue also. So fill in your first name. What's your first name? So my first name is David, and my last name is so the email address you want to use. Fill in the email address you want to use as well. So that's the email I want to use, the email address I want to use. Then fill in your number as well. Then the password I would love to use. So once you fill all these, the next thing you have to do is to select the continue. So submitting. So after the submission, a referral code, a verifying code will be sent to the email you use. So let me go. I've already copied the verification, the OTP that was sent, the email I used. So I'll just paste it. So I've already pasted the verification, the OTP that was sent. So verifying. So once it's done verifying, it took me to the next stage. Now, here the referral code. I will drop my referral code at the description, so that the Cleva will know that yes, you have been redirected through this video. So just input the referral code that will be dropping at the description, and you are free to go. So the next thing is that, okay, create a pin. Which pin do you want to use? So you input your pin, the pin you love to use. So once you input the pin you want to use, this is the next stage. So you click on continue. So where do you get this? Where do you get this video? So YouTube here. So they said I'm setting. So click on let's go. So verified. So you need to verify it using using any of your either you use your national ID card or your voter's card. So but let's get started. So yeah, just fill in the needful details you have to fill here. Once you fill it, click on continue. Once you click on continued, you will get verified. I don't need to fill all these things because I already have an account. So if I said I want to fill it, the account will not be approved because the details I'll be submitting, the BVN I've already used my BVN, and so you should just follow the steps as I've explained, and you'll be verified. And once you are verified, you would they will generate a USD account for you. Every of the details, and let me show you mine. So once you are verified and they've actually generate a USD account for you. So this is what this is how you get to know the details on your on your account. So you just come to this place where it says more to know in order for you to know the account details. So you just come to this side, click on it. Once you click on it, the details, account details. So click on the account details. So these are my account details. These are my account details. So these are what you just need to actually copy and send to anyone outside the country that you want to actually receive funds from, being your KDP. Just link it, copy it, and link it to your account, so that you can actually receive your royalties. And if you are a freelancer, copy it and send it. So if you have all these things intact, you are free to actually receive your USD, your money